Welcome everyone to another Haggard Outdoor Adventure. I want to thank you for clicking on the video and coming out and joining me today. It's been really cold and raining a lot here in Ohio. We've been flooded, so I haven't been able to get out. Today's a little nicer, no rain, but it's cold. It's about 32 degrees. So I wanted to come out, show you guys a few items that have been sent to me by a few subscribers. Also, I'm going to try to get a fire started with the bow drill. So I dug a little hole out. That's going to be the base for the fire. And I'm just going to use an uprooted tree as a sort of a fire reflector. So right now I'm going to go ahead and gather different size tinder, pencil lead, pencil, and then so on and so forth. I'm out here in the wood forest. It's just been ravished by beetles or something, killing most of the trees back here. So I'm gonna go ahead and use one of the items sent to me. This is a Strayed Jessic knife. I think they made 4 runs of these and prepared mine or peppered mine. Designed this. If I'm wrong, someone please leave it in the comment, let me know. Here it is, Strayed. It's a really nice beefy knife right here. Haven't used it yet, so we're going to test it out by cutting these down. Comes with a really nice carrying case. You can also strap it to your leg. So again, I want to thank Eric from SNJN Preps for helping me out, sending me all these really cool items to test out. I brought most of the stuff he sent me today. The knife, the book bag he sent me, along with a wool blanket. We'll take a look at that here in a minute. rub it up in your hands to break up the fibers in it. This is for the bird's nest. And also, my buddy Mitten State Bushcraft sent me a bag of birch bark. We don't have this type of birch around here. I think we might have yellow birch. But I'm also going to take some of it, place it in here as well. Try to get everything set up, situated, and ready so that when I get a coal going, I can just go ahead and transfer it into my tinder bundle and go ahead and get it started. So go ahead and let that keep smoking. See if I can zoom that in for you guys so you can see it. And at this point, you don't want to be in a hurry. You want to give the coal time enough to get bigger. You can see it's looking really good. So while this is burning, I'm gonna go cut me a Y-shaped branch. That way I can stake it down and let it run across the top of it. That way I can slowly cook me some jerky. So I don't want to unroll it, but here's a really nice wool blanket that was sent to me as well. I haven't been able to go out and do an overnighter or test it yet, but hopefully here in the next day or so I'll be able to, along with the One Tiger's backpack that he sent me. Also, I got 2 small cast iron skillets. I only brought the one out today. It's a small egg one, so you can cook a single egg. Can't wait to take this stuff out and test it. show you guys it. So I cut them into thin slices, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it on here to smoke. So I'm just bucking up some wood. I'm gonna make another small fire over here and cook on my little cast iron skillet. This is my first time using this sort of bark, so we'll see how it goes. Oh, that stuff works like a charm. So I'm gonna let this burn down a little bit, then I'm gonna go ahead and cook up some of that steak on my cast iron skillet, and we're gonna go over there and take a look and see how the smoking's doing. So your hand holds in there really well. So all it did was take off a little bit of the polish, the black on it. No chips in it, no nicks. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We came out and showed you guys a few new items that I received in the mail from my great subscribers. Also, we smoked some jerky. So as always, till the next one, good night, God bless, take care everyone.